yes, there has been discussion recently about this, but I think the discussion is centered in the wrong things. It's focused on the wrong thing. These arrangements that we make are to prevent any kind of miscalculation, mistake that might lead to even greater tension and hopefully hopefully not conflict. And that's what we are trying to avoid, and that's why we make these arrangements. And it is especially important because we have to resupply our people who are still on the Sierra Madre. And if we just barge on through without what we actually do, we talk. There's been talk about a provisional agreement, but essentially what the Philippines does is that when we are going to conduct a resupply mission, we issue what is known as a NOTAM, which is just a notice of your maritime movements that our ship is going to go from here to there, and they will stay here, and we'll stay there for 2 days or whatever it is, and then come back. And that is the extent of it, and that does not somehow make more vulnerable or give up any of our sovereign rights, any of our territorial claims and our well-recognized territory, especially under the UNCLOS and all other and the arbitral awards. Nothing of that has been weakened in any way, shape, or form. It is just an arrangement to inform not any specific country or group or vessel, but everyone who is in the West Philippine Sea, that the vessels from the Philippines are going to sail from this place to that place on this date, and that is all. So that there is no confusion that these are unidentified vessels and they have suddenly appeared out of nowhere. It's really it does not lessen. Does not weaken. There you go. It does not weaken our position in any way, in terms of the arbitral awards, in terms of the UNCLOS, in terms of our exercise of our sovereign rights, in terms of our defense of our territory. And so it is just a practical. It is a standard practice for all vessels that sail to issue the NOTAM, which is what we do, so in consonance together with the standard practice of all other vessels that sail through the West Philippine Sea.